Welcome to Class 7. In our previous lesson, we looked at contractual risk. Today, we'll see what can happen when a risk becomes a problem and when one party believes it has a contractual right to compensation. A claim is a formal request made by one party under a contract. A company may submit a claim for additional payment, extra time, or compensation for a loss. Claims can arise for many reasons. There may be delays, changes to the scope of work, unexpected costs, or technical problems. Two common types are time and cost claims. A contractor may request more time to complete the work, additional payment, or both. An extension of time allows a contractor to complete the work later than the original deadline, but the contractor needs to justify it. A claim needs evidence. Project records, emails, reports, photographs, and other documents help demonstrate what happened. Submitting a claim usually involves following a procedure defined in the contract. There may be specific deadlines and notification requirements. Notice is another important concept. A party may be required to notify the other party when an event occurs that leads to a claim. But a claim doesn't automatically become a dispute. A dispute arises when the parties disagree about responsibility, entitlement, or payment. One useful word here is entitlement. If a contractor has a contractual entitlement, it means the contract gives them a right to receive it. Sometimes the main question is responsibility. The operator may believe the contractor caused the problem, while the contractor argues otherwise. Disputes can be resolved in different ways. The parties may negotiate directly, use mediation or arbitration, or take the matter to court. Negotiation is often the first step. The parties discuss the problem and try to find a solution that both sides can accept. Imagine that severe weather stops offshore work for several weeks. The contractor submits a claim for additional time and costs. The operator disagrees and says the contractor should have planned for the conditions. Now the parties need to answer three important questions. What happened? Who was responsible? And what does the contract say? Let's review today's key terms: claim, dispute, entitlement, notice, evidence, compensation, extension, liability, and resolution. Now check your understanding. What is a claim? When can a claim become a dispute? And why is evidence important? Excellent. You now understand how contractual problems develop into claims and disputes, and how parties work toward a resolution. In Class 8, we'll move from resolving disputes to preventing them through effective negotiation. See you then.